Hello, my name is Andy Phelps. I'm the National Training Manager for Alarm Lock. Now in this video today I want to show you a procedure that can be done at the keypad that will disable all of your users except for the master code in case of a situation where you need to keep the users out of that particular room or that particular building. I also want to show you how to override any passage mode schedules that you have in the lock. Say you have a passage mode schedule from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and for some reason you want to override those schedules. You don't want those schedules to unlock the door, such as a vacation or a situation where that building does not need to be open to the public. Then that is what we call a permanent passage mode. There's an unlock, and then there's also a lock, and then a return to normal passage schedules. So that's functions 48, 49, and 50. I'm going to show you 49. That will lock the door and then override all existing schedules. So what you need to do is enter your master code, because the master code is the only one that can do this, and then push the AL. That puts it into program mode. Then you're going to hit AL, number 6, and then star. That will disable all the users at the keypad. Hold down any button on the keypad, let it come out of program mode, and now all users are disabled. So if I try user code, you see the green light and then the red flashes. That indicates that that user's credential is disabled. Now, when you want to re-enable all of the users to where they can enter that particular area again, enter the same do it kind of the same way. Enter your master code, and then the AL puts it in program mode, and then it's AL7 star. Okay, and then hold down any button on the keypad, bring it out of program mode, and now all of my users are re-enabled. So if I try my code 8989, the door opens. Okay. Now there's another keypad process that you can do that will override all passage mode schedules that are programmed into the lock. Okay. And that is function 49, and then to re-enable the schedules, that's function 50. So if you want to lock the door and then disable all the schedules, you're going to enter your master code, and then AL, put it in program mode, and then it's AL49 star. That will lock the door and it will override all passage mode schedules. Hold down any button to bring it out of program mode. Now, no passage mode schedule will actually unlock the door unless you do it manually at the keypad, but no scheduled passage mode will unlock the door. Now when you want to turn those schedules back on, enter your master code, and then the AL button. Okay, that puts it in program mode, AL50 star. Okay, and then any button to come out of program mode. And now the next unlock event, which may be tomorrow, it may be later today, whenever it is, the next unlock event, all of the schedules will start over again.